Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Vitamix 5200 is probably one of the most iconic and highly regarded blenders on the market, renowned for its unparalleled power and versatility that transforms everything from tough greens into silky-smooth smoothies to hot soups from cold ingredients, making it a cornerstone appliance for health enthusiasts and culinary adventurers alike who demand professional-grade performance in their home kitchen. Number 5. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Achieve culinary perfection with its 10 variable speeds. This allows you to refine every texture, from the smoothest purees to the heartiest soups. Its pulse feature lets you layer coarse chops over smooth purees. Create heartier recipes like chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups with ease. The 48-ounce container is perfectly sized for medium batches. It's ideal for preparing meals for your small family. Equipped with hardened stainless steel blades, it handles the toughest ingredients effortlessly. You'll get consistent, quality results every time. Cleaning is a breeze with this machine. Just add a drop of dish soap and warm water, and it cleans itself in 30 to 60 seconds. Your purchase includes the container, lid, tamper, motor base, owner's manual, and an introduction booklet. Everything you need to get started. What we like. This model offers precise variable speed control and a convenient pulse feature. It allows you to achieve a wide range of textures, from smooth purees to chunky salsas, with ease. If you love experimenting with different food textures and appreciate quick cleanup, this is an excellent choice for you. What people say. Number 4. Vitamix 12-cup food processor attachment with self-detect. Transform your Vitamix blender into a versatile food processor. This attachment expands your kitchen capabilities, allowing you to tackle a wider range of recipes with ease. It's designed for seamless integration and enhanced functionality. Featuring a spacious 12-cup work bowl, it handles large quantities effortlessly. This allows you to chop, mince, mix, shred, and slice ingredients quickly. Food preparation becomes efficient and enjoyable. Experience simple and intuitive setup. Just stack the self-detect base, work bowl, and lid, then snap them together. There are no complicated twist lock mechanisms, ensuring a user-friendly experience every time. Equipped with self-detect technology, it automatically shuts off if not safely assembled, ensuring secure operation. Please note, this attachment is exclusively compatible with Ascent and Venturist series Vitamix blenders. Its stainless steel multi-use blade is incredibly versatile, replacing several kitchen tools. It excels at mincing, finely chopping, mixing, and even kneading dough. This powerful blade streamlines your cooking process. Cleanup is made simple with this BPA-free attachment. All parts, except the self-detect base, are dishwasher safe. This feature saves you time and effort after preparing your meals. What we like. This unique attachment transforms your compatible Vitamix blender into a full-feature food processor. It offers a large 12-cup capacity and smart self-detect technology for seamless operation. If you already own an Ascent or Venturist series blender and want to expand its capabilities beyond blending to chop, slice, and shred, this is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per instructions. Number 3. Vitamix A2500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. It offers 3 program settings for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. These ensure walk-away convenience and consistent results every time. You're always in control with its variable speed and pulse feature. This allows you to fine-tune the texture of any recipe to perfection. Its built-in wireless connectivity is truly smart. The motor base can read your chosen container size and automatically adjust settings for optimal blending. A built-in digital timer takes the guesswork out of manual recipes. It helps you achieve the perfect texture consistently. You can pair it with any self-detect containers. This allows you to build a customized blending system that perfectly fits your needs. Inside the box, you'll find the motor base, a 64-ounce low-profile container, a tamper, and a Simply Blending cookbook to get you started. What we like. This smart blender features 3 program settings for walk-away convenience and consistent results. Its built-in wireless connectivity automatically adjusts settings based on container size, and a digital timer ensures precision. If you are looking for advanced technology, automated blending, and consistent outcomes for smoothies, soups, and frozen desserts, this model is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Prasky 102-ounce professional blender and grinder. Take command with this professional blender. Its precision rotary knob adjusts 16 speeds for everything from silky purees to chunky salsas. The pulse function delivers instant bursts for smoothies, juices, or crushing ice, ensuring stable and safe operation. Prefer a larger capacity? This countertop blender features a generous 102 ounces BPA-free pitcher and a 40-ounce grinder. It saves time with efficient party meal prep, crafting massive 10 to 12 serving batches effortlessly. Featuring 1000 W base power with 2400 W peak and a 25,000 revolutions per minute stainless steel 6-blade system, it instantly pulverizes ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients. This powerful blender creates velvety smooth textures for smoothies, soups, and nut butters, built with overheating protection for safety. Replace 8 appliances with this versatile food blender. It can crush, mix, chop, grind, process, puree, or liquefy, streamlining your countertops. The pitcher serves as a juicer and blender for shakes, while the mixer grinder tackles nuts and coffee beans. This blender liberates you from scrubbing. Its self-cleaning function requires just water and dish soap for a thorough 30 to 60-second rinse. All detachable parts are also dishwasher safe, ensuring hygiene and saving you time. What we like. This powerful blender boasts an extra-large 102-ounce capacity and a robust 1000 W motor. It's a versatile 2-in-1 combo, serving as both a blender and a grinder for various tasks. If you frequently prepare large batches for family meals or parties, or need a single appliance for both blending and grinding, this offers exceptional value and convenience. What people say. Number 1. Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender. Its patent-pending stainless steel blades are laser-cut to precise angles, making them sharp, thin, and strong. They are engineered to slice more efficiently, creating less oxidation for a smoother, creamier blend. This appliance features a powerful 2.5 HP motor, a BPA-free 64 ounces Tritan jar, and heavy-duty metal gears. These components are built tough and designed to perform year after year, handling the toughest ingredients without overheating. It meets or exceeds exacting NSF standards, proving its professional-grade quality. If it can withstand the rigors of a commercial environment, it is more than capable for any household use. Quality is built into every aspect of this blender. It has proven its ability to blend for over 100 years without slowing down, offering peace of mind with a 10-year warranty. Want a faster speed or need to blend longer? You can simply adjust it any time during the blending process. Its intuitive digital controls make fine-tuning time and speeds incredibly easy to operate. What we like. This heavy-duty blender features powerful 2.5 HP motor and laser-cut stainless steel blades. It's NSF certified, professional grade, and built to last with a remarkable 10-year warranty. If you demand commercial-level durability, extreme power for the toughest ingredients, and a long-term investment in a blender that will truly last, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.